Hello guys, and welcome to another Premiere Pro tutorial. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to make smooth animations in Premiere Pro. To make any objects move smoothly in Premiere Pro is really simple. The first thing I like to do is to add the drop shadow effect. So go over to effects and search for drop shadow and apply this drop shadow effect onto your object over here, which is this image of Mr. Beast over here. Now move over to Effects Control and set your opacity to 69 and set the distance to 20 and set the softness to 25. Next, go over to your effects library and search for the transform effect and select transform under distort and apply it once more to your graphics. Now move your playhead to the position where you want this animation to end. Now move over to position under transform and select the stopwatch next to position and move your playhead to the start of that graphics. The next thing I'm going to do is to move the position of this graphics to the position where it can no longer be seen. Next, highlight both keyframes, right click, temporal interpolation and select ease in. Once more, temporal interpolation and select ease out. Now scroll down and select use composition shutter angle and increase the shutter angle to 360 degrees to add some motion blur. The last thing I would like to do is to go over to position and select this arrow drop down over here. And what I would like to do is to draw these graphs together to cause a kind of smooth build up over here. And now if I hit play, you can see what we have created. When your image is coming into the screen, use a curve like this. We call this the entry curve. When your image is moving across the screen, use a curve like this. We call it an intermediate curve. When your image is moving out of the screen, use a curve like this. We call it the exit curve. These are the three essential curves for any animation. To save this animation as a preset, simply go over to Effects Control and select Transform, right click and hit Save Preset and give it a name that explains the animation. So I'm going to name this Reveal from bottom to top. And because this animation is starting at the beginning, I'm going to select Anchor to In Point. But if you are saving a preset for an out point, save it to out point. And now if you go over to your presets, you can find these presets here in Premiere Pro. Thank you for watching and see you in my next tutorial tomorrow.